Hey there, garden enthusiasts. Did you just plant your beautiful seedlings only to find them riddled with tiny holes? Well, you're not alone. Today, I'm diving into the world of flea beetles, those tiny but mighty pests that can wreak havoc in your spring garden. So, when do these little jumping beans show up? It varies depending on where you live. In Michigan, you'll see them around late April to mid-May as the weather warms up. In the Northeast, like New York or Pennsylvania, it's usually around the same time, maybe a week or two later. Down in the Southeast, they might appear as early as March. In the Midwest, think late April to mid-May again, similar to Michigan. And on the West Coast, their emergence can start in April. The key takeaway? They show up as soon as the weather starts to warm consistently. Now, what exactly are we dealing with here? Flea beetles are tiny, only about 1/16 of an inch long. They come in various colors, often black, but some can be metallic blue, bronze, or even striped. Their distinctive hind legs let them jump incredibly well, hence the name flea beetle. Don't let their size fool you. These guys can cause a surprising amount of damage. The most common sign of their presence is the shot hole appearance on leaves. They chew small, irregular holes, and in heavy infestations, your leaves might look like lace. This damage reduces the plant's ability to photosynthesize, leading to stunted growth and reduced yields. In severe cases, especially with young seedlings, a heavy flea beetle infestation can even kill the plant. Which crops are most at risk? Flea beetles love plants in cabbage, broccoli, kale, and radishes. They also adore nightshade vegetables like eggplant, tomatoes, peppers, and potatoes. Other susceptible crops include leafy greens like spinach and lettuce, as well as corn and beets. Now for the good news, we can fight back. One of the simplest and most effective methods is using row covers. These create a physical barrier, preventing the beetles from reaching your plants. Another great approach is neem oil. This natural insecticide disrupts the feeding and molting process of many insects, including flea beetles. Apply it according to the product instructions and coat both tops and undersides of the leaves. Diatomaceous earth is another excellent non-toxic option. This fine powder, made of fossilized diatoms, damages the exoskeleton of insects. Sprinkle it around your plants and on the leaves and reapply after rain or watering. You can also try insecticidal soap. This works by disrupting the outer layer of the insect's body, leading to dehydration. Thorough coverage is key, and you'll likely need to reapply. For heavier infestations, there are effective insecticides available at garden centers. Look for products with active ingredients like pyrethroids. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully. Good garden hygiene is crucial. Remove weeds regularly, as they can serve as food sources for flea beetles. Crop rotation can help disrupt their life cycle. Some gardeners use trap crops, planting a less valuable plant nearby to lure them away from your prized vegetables. Unfortunately, flea beetles can be persistent. Monitor your plants regularly, especially during peak season in late spring and early summer. For organic options, you may need to reapply treatments every 7 to 10 days, or more frequently after rain. Conventional insecticides typically have longer residual effects, but always follow the product label. Don't let these tiny terrors discourage you. By understanding when they appear, identifying them, and using the control methods available, you can protect your garden and enjoy a bountiful harvest. Early detection and consistent effort are your best defenses against flea beetles. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening, everyone!